Hello and welcome back to a new episode of Sailing Prosperity. Today we are sailing to Gullholmen, or the Gold Island. There's a lovely, friendly atmosphere among the small alleys that meander among old fishing cottages and boathouses here, and we are really excited to go exploring the island. And we definitely got what we were looking for. And we will also keep sailing further south, and we are blessed with nice downwind before there is going to be a gale later tonight. But even if we are cruising along with downwind, we have to keep our eyes open because the archipelago of Sweden is really full of reefs and small island that we have to navigate through. And who knows what we will find sailing along the west coast of Sweden. Welcome to Sailing Prosperity. We are a family of 5 from Norway who absolutely love sailing around and embarking on new adventures. Here we have 12-year-old Selina, and this is 9-year-old Victoria. And the youngest one is Carolina, who is 3 years old. And we are Thomas and Katrin. On this channel we will share videos and provide more information about our daily lives and exciting life experiences of the Flintskov family. So it's been a good day at sea. Except there was no wind at all today. But we had a short trip, a couple of hours, and now we are approaching Gullholmen, which can transfer to the Golden Island. The Gold Island, I think.
Gold Island.
The Gold Island. So we expect to be prosperous docking here, and let's see what we can find. It's really a special place. It has high recommendations on the websites. And we have to do some steering. To live like this and wake up to this view everywhere. After our circumnavigation, we should just settle down here. Kalles plan.
Are we both outside? Yes, baby.
We're staying close to the harbor. I have to prepare the boat.
Er Karoline nede?
lite fel fart och en sväng.
Tusen tack.
Gullholmen has a genuine archipelago setting, completed with sailing, swimming and fishing. One part of the town is a small island that is known as Sweden's most density population. A veritable behemoth of summer cottages and year-round houses. Such a beautiful place. There is a lovely, friendly atmosphere among the small alleys and that minder among old fishing cottages and boathouses. There are a few restaurants and cafes in the harbor area where you can eat good food and enjoy the lively setting around the pleasure boats. So we have just left the Gold Island. Didn't get much time there because there is forecasted heavy winds tomorrow. So today we will do a long day of sailing in the beautiful west coast of Sweden. We have approximately 15 knots of wind. We'll probably come up to 20 later today. Katrine has her coffee ready.
And I have something else.
What's up?
I was in the store and I bought a baguette and rundstykker.
Bagels or something? Balls? Great balls of fire.
And they were a little bit warm when I got them. So they're fresh for today.
So there will be a luxurious lunch today.
Yes.
If we can make it past reefs. We're sailing in 6.5 knots. But there are not many boats out. So I think this will go okay. Even though we have some narrow passages to go through.
Hello, my sweet pie.
Downwind and from land, wind makes no waves for us today, hopefully.
Ja, men ikke stå i trappa, er du snill. Kom ned her.
Beautiful sailing today. We just started, so this is a perfect start. And let's hope it stays like this for the whole day. You're going the west coast past Marstrand, and we are hoping to get to a lovely island called Røse. That's not too far out from Gothenburg. Yeah, today you will be the captain. Yes, we are sailing with the boat. Yeah, you want to take over the control? Vil du styre? All right. You have to put on the hood. It's cold. Mommy is coming to help you a little bit. Yeah. But you know, you have to look that way to see where you are steering.
Så kan du holde. Så ser du kjører rett frem der.
Okay, you have to go a little bit more this way. Denne veien. Denne veien. Sånn. Så må du ta nytt grep. Nei, no. Karoline, nå må pappa styre. Ja.
Du må styre skikkelig hvis du skal styre.
Ja, men da kan pappa bære meg.
Mamma kan filme.
Ja, men da kan pappa bære meg.
Come on. Ser du den grønne staken? Der borte er det grønne. Og nå på den siden. Barbord. Aha, så vi retter litt den veien. Yeah! Yeah! And now we have to take it a bit back. Litt tilbake. Very good.
Good job.
Uh-oh, there's a boat coming.
Jeg savner meg inni seilet.
Var det gøy?
Ja.
Ja, liker du det?
You wanted to have the captain hat today? Du ville ha kapteinhua i dag. Styrehua. Men som var for stor. It was too big for you.
Ja, og han datt frem og tilbake på meg.
Gjorde han det?
Ja.
Ok. Sånn. And again we are sailing by a seal. That must be a baby seal, it's so small. But they are so cute. Yeah. Lovely. And over here the birds are drying up on land with their wings spread out. We are trying to hit an open area in between the reefs. Beautiful sailing today, and now we are passing by Marstrand. You can see the famous castle right over there. And we will start sailing in between the islands again. And here we also have the kids in Optimist's sailboat. There's a bunch of them over there, but out on the sea. It's not easy to see with the sun against us, but I guess it's around 20 Optimist sailboats out there. So we had a good day so far. Been sailing in around 6 knots on average. But a lot of the time we have had 7.5 knots, so it's been a good sail. Side wind all the way, and tomorrow the forecast says there will be gale, so we will find a very nice harbor to dock for a couple of days now. Sailing in beautiful conditions, but it's a bit narrow. A lot of islands and reefs. So I have to pay attention, especially while sailing. Sometimes the wind is low, sometimes it gets a bit high. Wow, check this out. We're just sailing by this small island. Look at all the seals. Wow. That was amazing. Victoria, se, hvor jeg peker. Over there. Ser dere alle? There's a lot of seals. That's so cool. Ser du det, Victoria? Karoline? Karoline også ser det?
Ja.
Wow.
Kule dyr.
Ja.
Ja. De var så fine.
Yeah, they were very nice.
Så vakker.
Yeah, beautiful. It's easy to forget to live in the moment and enjoy the good times that we have. And it's so important to do that, because as you will see in our next episode, the weather is shifting fast, and it's not only the wind we have to battle with on our journey. How we solve that and a lot more will be in our next episode next Wednesday. Until then, remember to enjoy the moment, and we will see you soon again. Yeah, what's up? That's all for now. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more from us. And if you hit the alert button as well, you will get notified whenever we release a new video.